Ang tuwang job fair karon wider coverage siya because recently we're conducting our Labor Day job fair here in Davao City lang. So the instruction right now is for us to conduct job fair across all provinces. So aduna tayo 6 ka job fairs na mahitabo karong May 1 in regional office or dili sa Davao City. It will be held in SM City, Davao. We are expecting at least 1,800 job vacancies. In Davao del Sur, we have one in Quezano Grand Mall, Bigos. 400 ang ato ang mga job fair vacancies na ginatanaw na. We also have in Davao Occidental at the ABC Gym, Davao del Norte, NCC Mall of Tagum, Davao Oriental sa Provincial Capital Gym, and Davao de Oro Assumption College. So overall, we have around 68 participating employers na nagapangita o trabahante with a total of around 3,500 ka job vacancies across Davao region. So among ginaawhag ang tanan labi na katong nagapangitag trabaho or gusto mag-change sa ilang mga career, and especially sa atong mga fresh graduates na mo join sa atong job fair karong May 1. Kung kamo na sa mga provinces, you're lucky because we have our job fair in the provinces also. So kana lang ang ato ang job fair for SM City Davao will be open as early as 7 a.m. Pwede na sila magbisita for their registration.
By online registration pa pre-registration, gaya dati parang online pre-registration.
Yes, sir. That's right. So for Davao City, because we're expecting dako gyud ang ato ang mga job seekers, will be opening online registration. So amo lang ginaawhag ang tanan nga gusto mo apil ani nga bantayan lang ang ato ang Facebook page, the Department of Labor and Employment Davao Region na page. Ato ang i-release within the week ang list sa ato ang mga job vacancies and participating employers na nasabit ang instruction kung kaunsa sila mag-register. Karon nakita nato nga daghan og mga employers na trying to connect with Dole for them to join the job fair activity. So nakita nato nga daghan pa og mga job opportunities available in Davao region, and we are targeting hopefully last year manggod sa ato Labor Day na reach nato ang at least 21% na hired on the spot. So we're hoping na for this year our job seekers are ready for the employment, and hopefully at least ma-equal or ma-reach man lang nato ang target na at least 20% cuts for this year.
Ma'am, so far po ba sa katong mga jobs na ito gina-offer karon sa ang mga top na mga ginapagita, and then gila po ba ang local and international, and which countries po ba ang hiring?
So thank you for asking that, ma'am. Right now, our focus sa ato Labor Day there is sa Davao City is local employers lang. It's because DMW is also spearheading their own job fairs. So for the local vacancies, we have around 3,500, and we have a strong presence of tech, BPO, retail services, and construction industries joining our job fair. So for Davao City, ang top na positions mostly are entry-level positions such as the cashier, customer assistant, production workers, naasab mga customer service representatives, and operation management trainees. So lahi-lahi ang ato ang mga top positions being offered per province. So medyo daghan ni siya, but again nasa background ng mga entry levels, but also we have mga high positions is May 1, mga engineering positions. They can also check our Facebook page for that, for the details of our job vacancies.